Audi has officially launched production of the all-new Audi E5 Sportback at its newly established facility in Anting, Shanghai. This state-of-the-art plant, built within the SAIC Volkswagen site, represents an important step for Audi in strengthening its presence in China. On August 18, 2025, the very first E5 Sportback rolled off the line, marking the beginning of a new era for Audi's locally developed electric models. The plant employs around 700 workers and combines advanced automation with machine learning, driven quality control, and fully digital production management systems. This integration of technology allows Audi to streamline manufacturing, maintain consistency, and achieve the premium build quality that customers expect. Beyond the E5 Sportback, Audi plans to expand production here within the next 2 years to include 2 additional models designed specifically for the Chinese market. The Audi E5 Sportback itself is a bold new chapter for the brand. Unlike traditional Audi models, it carries a China-specific identity with a unique brand design written in all capital letters and without the classic 4-ring badge. Built on the Advanced Digitized Platform, co-developed with SAIC, the E5 Sportback introduces next-generation connectivity and supports full car over-the-air updates. Performance is equally impressive. The car delivers up to 579 kilowatts of power and a range of up to 770 kilometers based on the CLTC cycle, with acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds. It offers sports car-like thrills while being available in both rear-wheel drive and quattro all-wheel drive configurations. Audi's decision to base production in Anting highlights its strategy to adapt to local markets, create vehicles tailored for Chinese customers, and continue advancing in the electric mobility race. The E5 Sportback combines sleek design, outstanding performance, and advanced digital features, setting a new standard for the brand in its largest global market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss future updates on the latest cars and technology from around the world.